Hey guys, this is me, Kimberly, and today I am going to play Murder Mystery, so I hope you enjoy my big gateway. Step is Sheriff, I'm so lucky. So murder is, well, do you know there's a sick bug here? Yeah, so I hope nobody kills me. I feel like they're crazy murder. Alright, if you follow me, I'm gonna shoot her in 1 second. Oh, wait, who killed him? Oh, literally, he's gonna die. Acting like he's dead. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Please understand, because I got rid of... What's going on? Oh, baby. Okay, she's literally glitching. Oh, oh, oh. I like the team, no matter. Okay, I'm trying to not get killed, because if I get killed, I like it. Okay, if it doesn't work, I think I have to shoot random person. Gunshot so bad. Move! Move! What the heck? The time.